The beautiful city of Amsterdam is a city of bikes, and many tourists rent bikes to explore the city. Most people don't ride their bike outside of the city, even though it's easy to do if you know about the Fietsknoop system. In English, Fietsknoop loosely means bike nodes, as they are a series of numbered points throughout the entire country of the Netherlands. The white and green signs with numbers on them are located all over the country and gives you the ability to plan out your bike trip. For example, on this sign that's located near the popular tourist attraction of windmills, called the Zaanse Schans, we are biking towards node number 73. To plan out your route, there's an app and a website. The app is available for free for both iPhone and Android. How it works? Tap the biking icon on the app and it takes you to a map. Let's say we want to start the bike route from Amsterdam Central Station, so we'll search for that. The first node at Central Station is number 5, so we'll tap that, and this is the start of the route. Let's say we want to bike to the city of Haarlem, west of Amsterdam. We'll search for Haarlem, and several nodes show up. Let's choose number 90. Tap on 90, and we'll tap the triangle icon at the top green bar. This will calculate the entire route broken down into numbered nodes. You can now see the route with all the nodes we have to ride to. The numbered signs along the route will tell us where to go. At the top, you can see all the numbers with distances between each of the nodes. When you zoom out on the map, the numbers disappear and you can see the cities better. We can also plan a route by choosing numbers. Let's do a loop around Amsterdam. We'll start at number 5 again at Central Station. And head south. So we'll tap this node and then one to the west. And we'll complete a loop just by tapping numbers until we're back at number 5. Then we'll tap the triangle and the route is ready. You can see the numbers and the distances between each number. If you want to plan in advance, you can also use the website. Click on the orange button Planner and there's a map with all the nodes. We'll zoom out to find Amsterdam and then zoom in to go to number 5 again and click on it. We'll plan out the trip to Haarlem again. So zoom in on Haarlem and find number 90. If we click on that, the whole route is planned out instantly. You can print a route with all the numbered nodes and a little map. You'll often see people biking with this printout. Very handy. One of the best things of these nodes is that it takes you along great bike paths and scenic routes, so you can experience a different side of the Netherlands. Like this. Enjoy your trip!